Hello learners, myself Dr. Priyanka Ghosh. Today we are going to do the balance sheet practicals, but before going to start with the practicals, let us just quick review on the format. So in the last video I already explained the format of balance sheet. So balance sheet normally we are having two sides. One is liabilities, another one is assets. In liability side we always starts with the capital, that is the opening balance, and with that during the whole financial year whatever profit and loss we are getting we need to adjust with that. And suppose during the year the owner will withdraw any capital or any money from the business, we need to minus it is asset drawing. And if the company is providing any interest on the owner's capital, that we need to add. And after adjusting all these things we are getting the net capital balance. And under liabilities we are having some more items, that is loan, and under current liabilities we are having creditors, outstanding expenses, bills payable and bank OD. So if we will add all this amount we will get the total amount. And the same it is in the asset side. In asset side we are having mainly two headings. One is fixed asset, another one is current asset. Along with that we are having the investment. Maybe it is short term or long term. So fixed asset means here we are talking about the land and building, goodwill, furniture, plant and machinery. And current asset means the asset which we can easily convert into cash, like closing stock, debtors, cash and bank balance, bill receivable and prepaid expenses. So like liabilities, if we will add all the amount in the asset side, we will get the total asset amount, and the total liabilities will be always equal to the total asset in the balance sheet. So this is the format for the balance sheet. So now we will start with the first problem under balance sheet. So this is the practical number 1. So let us just quickly see the question. Mr. Nirupam has a business and he has invested rupees 15 lakh as a capital. So we can easily understand that 15 lakh is the capital in this business. Now from the following details we need to prepare the balance sheet in the books of Nirupam on 31st March 2020-24. Land and building is 6 lakh and furniture is 1 lakh 50,000 and plant and machinery is 8 lakh. Investment short term is 80,000 and we are having the closing stock, debtors, bill receivable and cash in hand. And during the financial year we are having the net profit 6 lakh 20,000 and drawing is 1 lakh 30,000. Creditors 2 lakh 40,000, bills payable and bank OD also there. So this is the whatever items and the informations are given, based on that we need to prepare the balance sheet. So before preparing the balance sheet, first you need to check the balance sheet. Always we need to start with in the books of Mr. Nirupam. So Mr. Nirupam as on 31st March 2024. So as I told, the liabilities and amount, assets and amount. So 4 it will come, 4 columns. So liability side always we need to start with. So please remember, always when we are doing the balance sheet we need to make two heading. First of all, in whose book we are preparing the balance sheet. Maybe it is a company or maybe it is an individual. So here it is an individual. So I made in the books of Mr. Nirupam. And also you need to mention when you are going to prepare the balance sheet. So here the date is given 31st March 2020-24. So I mention. So liability side always we need to start with the capital. So in this question the capital is given 15 lakh. So 15 lakh, with that we have added the net profit 6 lakh 20,000. If it is a net loss we need to minus the net loss. So after adding the net profit with the capital we got total amount is 21 lakh 20,000. And as we can see, the owner has withdrawn some amount from the business, so that is known as drawing. So drawing, what we need to do, how will be the treatment? Drawing always we need to minus from the capital. So 1 lakh 30,000 we have deducted from our total capital and the net capital we got 19 lakh 90,000. And along with that, we have some more items in the liability side, that is a creditors 2,40,000, bills payable 60,000 and bank overdraft 1,80,000. Let's come to the asset side. So if you'll see into the question, asset side we are having mainly three fixed asset. One is land and building, that is 6 lakh, furniture 1,50,000 and plant and machinery 8 lakh. Along with that, we are having one short term investment, that is 80,000. And next heading what we are following in asset side is that current asset. So under current asset we are having four items. One is closing stock 4 lakh, debtors 3,20,000, bill receivable 1 lakh and cash is 20,000. So after entering all this item and after adjusting net profit and net loss and drawing, we got all the final amount in liability side as well as to the asset side. So after getting all this final amount, our last step is that we need to add all this amount. So please look into the liability side. Liability side net capital we got 19,90,000. And with that we need to add 2,40,000 of creditors, 60,000 bills payable and bank OD 1,80,000. So if you will add all this amount, you will be getting total liability is 24,70,000. So come to the asset side, the same way like liabilities we need to add all the amounts. So fixed assets 6 lakh, 1,50,000 furniture and plant and machinery 8 lakh, investment 80,000 and current asset we are having 4 lakh, 3,20,000, bill receivable 1 lakh and cash is 20,000. So if you will add all this amount, we will be getting the same total 24,70,000. So please remember dear learners, in balance sheet both liabilities should be equal to the assets. So here you can see the liability side 24,70,000 is the total and asset side also we got 24,70,000. So this is the basic problem of balance sheet. Now we will go for the second problem. So second problem also they have given some of the information. It is very easy problem. The capital of the company is 3,60,000 and the profit is 88,730. The other liabilities, creditors and bills payable they have mentioned and the loan amount of the company is 1,20,000. Please remember here, if the company is taking any loan from any banking company or any financial institution, it will be the liability for the company. And other various assets what we are having, building, machinery, furniture, closing stock, debtors. So let's see how we will solve the balance sheet. The same we will start with the liability side. So liability side in this question we are having the capital is 3,60,000 and we have added net profit with that. So here you please remember one thing, if it is profit we need to add with the capital, but if it is net loss then we need to minus it from the capital. So after adding net profit with the capital, we got the total capital is 4,48,730. And then we list out the other liabilities like creditors 87,200, bills payable 25,270 and loan 1,20,000. As I told, if company is taking any loan from the banking institution or financial institution, it is the liability for us. The same way we need to come to the asset side. Asset side we are having two heading as we do not have any investment, so no required to mention it. So under fixed asset we are having three items. One is building 2,37,800, furniture 1,61,550 and machinery is 1 lakh. And current asset we are having only two items, that is closing stock and debtors. Closing stock 1,43,000 and debtor is 38,850. So here please remember whatever items or information they will inform you into the question, the same information or items we need to record here. No need to record the items which are not mentioned into the question. So after recording all this information, first we need to find out the total of the liabilities. So net capital we got 4,48,730, With that we have added creditors, bills payable and loan. So after adding all these items, we got 6,81,200 is the total liability. The same we need to follow for the asset side. So in the asset side, I have added the building, furniture and machinery. Along with that we have added the current assets, closing stock and debtors. So in the asset side also, total asset we got 6,81,200. So in this case also you can easily understand that always the liabilities will be equal to the assets in case of balance sheet. So these are the basic problem of balance sheet. I hope the doubt is clear. Then we will continue for the next video. Thank you.